out Peterbilt Steep. Wait, nope. KW10, nope, wait. This is Life is Good. Coming to you from MHC Kenworth here in Chattanooga at exit 7. My friend Mike is a truck salesman. He got this truck in, and we was trying to talk to Sammy. Makes sense. YouTube channel. Gonna buying this big W9. He said he wanted a lime green. Well, here you go, Sammy. Oh, fell in the hole. Lime green. Now, I left all my cameras at home. Casey Neistat once said the best camera you can have is what is in your hand when you need a camera. So we, anyway, so Salesman told me we could take it for a test drive, but I'm not going to drive it. This old girl has 9 miles on it. Show you the inside here. So yeah, look at that, 9 miles on that bad boy. I tell you what, she is quiet too. Let's get her fired up, because my Pete is a lot louder than this thing is. Well, it's a good looking truck. Dual cup holders there, 18 speed. X-15 will show you the power plant here in a minute. But what's that? She's quiet, man. Close the door. Oh yeah, she sounds good. And anyway, look at back here to sleep. This thing is huge. Got the couch. Got the VIT interior. There's the bunk up there. Tray up here for your television. I mean, this thing is just, holy cow, you can plenty of room from here to the sleeper is really big. I'll give them that, but I honestly, I don't know about all that. Let's see if it has let's see what all is in the cabinets here. Well, anyway, forgive me for not having my cameras handy. Nice storage there. And should be a drawer there. Yep, drawer there. Drawer down there. Here goes Mike back. Here's a little refrigerator here. I like what Pete has. He probably the same fridge. And now I used all these KW latches. Another closet there. Okay, yeah, this has got more cabinets, because see, here's the long closet with more shelves there. So I guess your hanging closets go here. Yeah, your hanging clothes. So pretty nice cabinets. Swing away armrest, which is really nice. Has the same seats that the Pete has the Sears seats in it. But anyway, she's brand new, man. Got 9 miles on it. Nice truck. Got nice overhead compartments there. CB goes there. So yeah, we'll show you the power. That beast. Cummins X-15. I think she said a 565. 1850 torque. You guys see that up here? She's got the real deal in it, man. 336 rears, 18 speed, left lane truck all day long. Isn't that a beauty? That thing right there is just beautiful. It's a 283-inch wheelbase, Alcoa wheels all the way around. Nice truck. All right, guys, this is the Icon 900 Studio Sleeper 2019 model Kenworth W-900 with the X-15 Cummins in it, 18 speed, 336 rears. This is Mike Booth, the salesman.
Hey guys, hey, I'm a fellow subscriber to Life is Good. Love watching Tim, love watching my buddy Sammy. It makes sense trucking. All you guys out there that are rolling up and down the roads, I used to drive OTR. I still feel a great connection with the drivers out there. This is a driver's truck right here. It's loaded out. It's got all the power, and it's just waiting for a home, waiting for somebody to come take it off our hands and put it to work.
So how can they reach you?
Yes, absolutely. It's Mike Booth, and I'm at MHC Chattanooga. The best way to reach me is my cell, 423-716-5658.
Beautiful. And you're on Facebook as well?
Yes. Yeah, check me out, Mike Booth. I'm actually working on my page, Mike the Truck Guy. I'll launch that here pretty soon.
Mike the Truck Guy.
So yeah, check me out and be glad to help you.
Good deal. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Okay, so one last look before we leave here. I made a mistake. It is not a 900. It's not the Icon 900. The Icon 900 comes with the special, the graphics is what threw me off. Icon 900 comes with all the lights. And we already told you it was a 283 wheelbase. Got the nice chrome pole. And I'm not sure what brand. It's a Holland fifth wheel, just like the Pete's got on it. But anyway, there you go, guys. It's a wrap. So she's got 3-axle disc brakes. I failed to mention that. So it's not a bad setup, you know. So she needs a good home. Somebody come and give her a good home. I don't currently have a price on it. We'll try to get that nailed down for you. And they also have this gray with the red pinstripe on it. Good looking truck there as well. So, or if you need a new dump truck, they got a T880 dump truck here for you. So you guys in the market for a new truck, give Mike Booth a call.
When I'm not cruising in my big rig, I'm watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.